Hey everybody, today we've got a ration that actually this is my second go around of trying to film this. So this is actually was sent to me by Drew over at Ration&More, and it's a handmade ration. So it's a lightweight patrol ration, cold weather, and this of course is the beta tester model. It's an 8-ounce ration. You can see it says 8 ounces. It's hand sealed. Everything about this is hand done. The one unfortunate thing is I've already opened it and I messed the footage up, so I had to start all over again. So it's all back in the bag. It was vacuum sealed, and the one thing that this did not come with that he meant to put in it was the crackers. There were supposed to be more crackers as well as a peanut butter, and unfortunately those didn't make it in. He was in a rush to get it to me. I was going camping, and I was going to take this with me, but unfortunately it didn't get to me in time anyway. So here's our Ration&More lightweight patrol ration, cold weather. So I've already actually sliced the bag, and I'm just going to dump the contents out, and we're going to see what is inside. And I'm actually really excited to try this, and I'm glad I hadn't actually started opening the individual packets yet. So first we've got our main course, which is chicken and dumplings. It says to add package contents to 6 ounces of boiling water. Stir, cover for 10 minutes, then eat. This is a pretty small, lightweight main entree. Here we have a dessert, and it says 2. There's question mark. Now I'm curious what the dessert is. He left a lot of it up. Here's our spoon and napkin. Then we have freeze-dried fruit, peaches and strawberries. And I love what he did with the foil packs. These are fantastic. I'm going to have to ask him how he did that, because I want to get something to do that. Here we have almonds, good source of protein. We have an accessory pack. I'm not sure what's in it. I really got no information with this other than, hey, try this. So here we have an electrolyte drink, fruit punch. It says add to 16 ounces of water. And then we have rye crackers, 3 pieces. Now again, there was supposed to be more rye crackers. So, all right, so what we're going to do is, excuse me, I'm going to go ahead and heat up some water for the chicken and dumplings. And I'm going to get a bottle of water for our electrolyte drink. And I'll be right back with all that. All right, so we've got our water boiling over here, or at least it's just about boiling. We've got our chicken and dumplings. Let's go ahead and we're going to take my, we're going to start with my electrolyte drink, and we're going to open that up. And it is a giant fizzy tablet. So let's see if we can get that in our water bottle that is 16 ounces. I actually think this idea of having the tablet probably works better than the bags of powder. So I'm just going to shake this up, let that dissolve in there. Okay, well, we'll let that dissolve for a few minutes. Actually, our water it's just about boiling. Let's check out our accessory pack. It's one thing I guess I have not opened yet. I'm excited to see what we've got in there. So, okay, that seemed pretty packed. We have Icebreakers gum, cool orange, interesting. Moist towelette, Tabasco, always a plus. We have our Balmain strawberry preserves. These are some of the best out there. We have pepper, BRC. That is wow, Black Rifle coffee. That is neat. I've never known. I didn't know that they made these in single serve. Black Rifle Coffee is a vet-owned coffee company. That's going to be super cool. I almost want to save that, but I'm definitely going to have to ask him for more of them. Well, our water's boiling, so let's go ahead and take that off the fire. And we'll move that out of the way. Now we're going to use our West German canteen cup, or mess cup. I know roughly what 6 ounces of water is in it. So let's go ahead and add our chicken and dumplings to that. Nope, we've got an oxygen absorber in there. That actually smells fantastic. Usually you can't really smell the freeze-dried stuff. You definitely can with this. So let's see now, where's my spoon? Seriously, this smells great. I don't know where this came from, but the peas and carrots in it and everything, I mean, it just smells unreal. So I'm gonna stir that up a little bit more, let that rehydrate, and I'm gonna cover it. We'll just, no, that ain't gonna work. Let's see. Okay, actually I'm just gonna use this notepad and that'll cover it up pretty well. So we'll set that off to the side for a few minutes and let that rehydrate while we take care of the rest of this stuff. So we've got our Tabasco, our icebreakers, our Black Rifle coffee that I am very excited to try. We have our Dusty Pack there. We have salt that, trying to remember, well, I think that's German maybe? No, that's not German. That's, either way, that's out of a European ration. We have our jam, the strawberry preserves, fantastic. Moist towelette, our Beyond the Beaten Track creamer for our coffee, sugar, a boiled sweet. I'm gonna guess it's cherry. We have pepper, and oh, we've got a dextrose tablet as well. Ooh, vitamin C. These are actually very important, and I'm amazed that the U.S. rations don't include them. But so that's a pretty comprehensive looking accessory packet, considering what all was in there and the size of that packet. So let's go ahead and look at. Let's go ahead and get actually a cup of coffee made up. Now here I'm going to use a cup, a little melanite cup that I got from Steve 1989 a little while back, and I've not had a chance to use yet. So we're gonna try our Black Rifle coffee. Okay, we'll go ahead and add the sugar to it. And our creamer. Well, I guess you could I could put this on the camera, I suppose. All right. And we'll add some water from our canteen cup. Fantastic smelling cup of coffee. Oops. So we've got all that. Let's see, our fruit punch is just about, looks like it's completely dissolved. Yep. So it's the first fruit punch I've seen that's actually not blood red. So we've got that. Got the rest of our stuff. I'm just going to move this off to the side for right now. All right, I've got to check out what we have for dessert. By the way, if I didn't say it in this one, I'm using my SOG's Field Pup that I got from SWAT Tactical and Killing. They had them on sale, so I definitely had to go pick one up. So far, it seems to be a pretty good knife. And, oh, we have Reason. Now, that's a dessert right there. Love Reasons. We've got almonds. Let's check out our almonds. Okay. Just some roasted almonds. I'm going to give them a couple try now. I love almonds. All right. We have our rye crackers. Okay. We've got something to put our strawberry preserves on. And again, remember, we were supposed to have peanut butter that went with this as well. Next up, we have our freeze-dried fruit, peach and strawberry. And if anybody's had the, or has had freeze-dried fruit, it is some fantastic stuff. Here's a giant peach. Here's a full strawberry. Go ahead and try these. You might hear me crunching. There's something about a freeze-dried strawberry that just is out of this world. The flavors are so concentrated. Oh, that's so good. And peaches. Yeah, these right here I could eat all day long. That is just amazing. Okay, well, while we're still waiting on our chicken and dumplings to heat up, I'm going to go ahead and try some of the rye crisp bread with, or rye crackers rather. Just try a little piece. Absolutely delicious. Let's try a little bit of the strawberry preserves. He sends these to me once in a while, these packets, and I gotta say, I do love them. I've yet to try one I didn't like. Let's put a little bit of that on the cracker. Okay, that cracker with the jelly, or rather the preserves, is absolutely tasty. For a lightweight ration, this thing seriously has so much in it. So, next up I'm going to take a sip of the coffee here to wash down the preserves. That is a delicious cup of coffee. I'm really going to have to ask him where he got the individual packets of the Black Rifle. I may have to go on their website and find it. Okay, now let's go ahead and I actually want to try this fruit punch just to see how it tastes. Okay, not overly artificial. Well, it's obviously artificial, but it's not overly overpowering, rather, like the USMRE ones. It's pretty tasty. I love fruit punch. It's my favorite, so that's a win. All right, so now let's check out our chicken and dumplings. It looks like it's rehydrated pretty well. The fruit, or rather the vegetables in it, seem to be, I mean, the peas are bright. The carrots are bright. This really, oops, where'd I get some carrots in here? Got to try it all, but that looks just fantastic. It smells unreal. So I'm going to give this a try without any salt, pepper, or hot sauce in it. Oh. This is like a pot pie. It may be chicken and dumplings, but it tastes, oh, wow. The chicken in it's just, I mean, this thing, I can't even explain or describe the taste. The carrots in it, they just, I mean, the flavor's there. The peas are there. Potatoes. The chicken has a nice mouthfeel to it. This is amazing. Drew, you knocked it out with this one. As much as it doesn't need it, it is included, so I'm going to add the Tabasco. I'm actually going to add the pepper. It does not need either of these. It doesn't need the salt, definitely. So, but I am going to add the pepper because I love pepper on most everything I have. Wow, I just can't explain how good that is. Tabasco. We'll add that in and stir it up. All right, let's give it a try now. Well, the Tabasco adds a little bit of the kick that it really doesn't need, but it goes with it. It definitely makes it another, gives it another little bit of a tang to it. And of course, Tabasco is not overpoweringly hot, but it does add flavor. So if you just really have to have something, kind of a little bit of spice to it, then the Tabasco adds. Still an amazing meal. So, let me see, what have I not tried? Oh, I hadn't tried the vitamin C, the dextrose tablet. Let's take a look at that. Get 2 of those. Okay. I hope I was supposed to chew those and not add them to water. I think it just chew them up. Just kind of a sugary, like a lifesaver. You could probably suck on this. I think I've tried everything now. Let's get a couple more almonds because I love almonds so much. Delicious. You really can't go wrong with almonds. Those are just, it's just the right amount of them. It's just a handful. I'm going to do my dessert now, a raisin. And if you've never had a raisin, this is a reason to get one. They're delicious. Well, okay, well, this was a beta version of a lightweight patrol ration that I got from Drew at RationsandMoRE. I'm not sure if he's going to try to start producing these, but if they do, I will be first in line to get them because all in all, everything in this, I mean, this would easily last a person probably 12 hours at least. That chicken and dumplings is unbelievable. All the side items to go with it really work together. And it's 8 ounces. I mean, it's lightweight. You could put 4 or 5 or 6 of these in a pack. You'd never even know it. Have a week's worth of food very easily. So I would say if you're interested in this, maybe get show them a little interest and tell them that you'd like to try something like this. Just hit them up at rationsandmore@gmail.com and see if you can't get them to produce some. I know I'm going to be asking them to do some more for me. And hope you all enjoy it. Have a wonderful Father's Day, and we'll catch you on the next review. Bye.